Hello there, welcome back. So I got a 2019 GMC Acadia. So I want to show you where your thermostat located at, and also the temp sensor. So I'm getting some codes right here. So I'm going to show you guys where that sensor located at on the thermostat. It's a SLT. So standing in front of the vehicle, it's on the left hand side right beside the air cleaner right here. Cleaner box. So you see that aluminum piece right there, that's the light shining on, that's it right there. So it carry two 10 bolts that hold it down. So one 10 bolts right there and one to the other side on the thermostat. Underneath that piece right there, guys, that's the housing for the thermostat, and also the coolant temperature sensor. That's it right there, guys. That's it, right beside the thermostat. And this is the wire that go to the sensor. This wire right here come all the way back to, you see this red connector. That's it right there, guys. So if you find this very useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.